Hey guys, it's me Akia with Iconic Trends, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this easy crochet beanie. I know winter hit so fast this year, so this is the first beanie I made this year, so I just wanted to share my tutorial with you guys. But first, I want to give a shout out to Drea. Drea is a fellow crochet artist, and she has been a member of my members only coffee shop for 3 months now. And I told her I was going to give her a shout out a long time ago, and I never did. So I just wanted to make sure I gave her a shout out on this video. Thank you, Drea, so much. Drea has been supporting my channel and my TikTok since the beginning when I first started this crochet journey. Again. So thank you, Drea. I really do appreciate you and everything that you do and who you are. So and you're probably wondering how you can get a shout out on one of my next videos. Well, all you have to do is join my members only coffee shop, or you can just buy me a coffee and I might just shout you out in my next video. So let's get started on this crochet beanie. First, you start off with a slip knot. Then you make a chain of 41. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 41. Okay? And this is the length of your hat, your beanie hat, from top to bottom. Okay? And then in the second chain from the hook, so this is the first chain, this is the second chain, you will make a single crochet. So you will insert your hook, pull through, and pull through both loops. Okay? So then you would make a single crochet in the next 6 stitches. So insert your loop, pull through, and then pull through both loops on the stick. Pull through both loops on the hook. Okay, so you need a total of 6 single crochets, and I will be right back when I am finished. Okay, so once you're done with those 6 single crochets, in the rest of the stitches you need to make a half double crochet. Okay, so to make a half double crochet, you just yarn over, you insert your hook, you pull through, and then you pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Okay, so insert your hook, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, and then pull through all loops on your hook. And you will do that until you get to your last stitch at the end. And I'll meet you back when I'm finished. Okay, so I'm at the last stitch, the last half double crochet of row 1. Just going to complete that. And then I am going to chain 1 and turn. So at the end of every row, you want to chain 1 and turn, okay? So for the rest of this pattern, we are going to be working in the back loops only. So in order to work in the back loops only, let me show you where the back loop only is. So this is the front loop. This is the front loop, and this is the back loop, okay? So we're gonna make a half double crochet in the back loop only, just like this. Okay, so you would yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, pull through, and then pull through all 3 loops. And you will do that until you get to your until you get to where you started doing your single crochets, and I will show you what to do next. Okay, so we have gotten to the single crochets, and for the single crochets we are still going to crochet in the back loop only. Okay, so you would just insert your hook in the back loop, pull through, and then pull through both loops on the hook. And when you crochet in the back loop only, it just gives it the ribbed effect look, like the knit ribbed effect. So you would do that until you get to the end of your row. And then once you get to the end, let me finish this last one. You would chain one and then turn your work. So for the remainder of this pattern, we will crochet 7 single crochets in the back loop only for the top, and then we will we will make half double crochets in the back loop only for the bottom, and at the end of every row you'll chain one and turn. So you need to do that for a total of 45 rows. And then once you're done with that, I'll meet you back. And then on your last stitch, you would chain one, and then you will pull a long tail, just like this, and then you would just cut the ends. Cut it off, okay? And then you just pull it through, and then make a knot. So you would fold it over just like this. Actually, I'm gonna fold it the inside. So yeah, we're gonna fold it over just like this. And you can either weave in your ends now, weave in the other side, or you can wait till the end. So I wanted to also let you guys know that I do have a free pattern that's beginner friendly with pictures on my coffee shop. So if you would rather just, look at the pattern, if you're a pattern person, I got that for you too. So go check that out. I'll link my coffee shop in the description box, okay? Okay, so once you made that little knot in the tail, you would just insert your needle into the bottom, and we're just gonna create like a little knot. You would insert your needle through both of the panel, both sides, okay? So let's do a close-up. So you just insert your insert your needle through this side, and then insert your needle through this side. And then you'll just pull, and then you'll just keep doing that. So insert through both sides and pull. Insert through both sides, then pull. And make sure you're keeping it lined up as well, okay? So you would do that until you get to the top, and then I will show you what to do next. Okay, so once you get to the top, this is what your beanie will look like, okay? So your seams will look like this, and it'll just be a little rectangle, and the top will be open, okay? So once you get to the top, you would take your needle and you would just weave it in and out, just like this, okay? And then you'll just pull it through. and you would just weave it in and out throughout the entire top of the beanie. And you would pull tight as well, but don't pull too tight because then the yarn may snap. So just pull it tight, but like also gentle. Make it tight, but pull it gentle. There you go. So you just insert the needle and come through on the other side. Insert, come through on the other side, okay? Okay, so I did that all along the top of the beanie. And this is what the top will look like when you do that, okay? So what I usually do is I will insert my needle on the opposite side and come through on the same side. And this is just to make it secure it, and also make it not so bulky at the top. So I'm just gonna insert and then come through on the other side and then pull it through. Okay, and then I'm gonna do it again on this side and then pull it through. And then you can just make a knot. You can do that as many times as you want. You can make a knot at the top to secure it, and then from here you would just weave in your end. You should probably make a double knot, but then you just weave in your ends. Okay, so this is what it will look like, and then you just turn it inside out like this, and then you would just fold it and if you want, you can add pom-poms to the top, which I will be doing. I'll be adding pom-poms to the top. So you can add pom-poms to the top, which will make it even cuter. So thanks for watching, you guys. So please comment and like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social medias to see my finished projects. And thank you so much again. So bye for now.